All right, here we are, early morning, and there's nobody around in the park, which is my favorite time, and I have these 4K ND and circular polarized filters for the Autel EVO, and this is what they look like when I pull them out of the box. So you actually get 8 filters in the package. So I'm going to fly the Autel EVO with some of these filters. I'll tell you which filter I'm using, and I'm going to compare it to not using a filter. So we all know that if you use an ND filter, which is neutral density, on a sunny day like right now, that sun is super bright, really low in the horizon, and it's facing this way. So we all know if you use an ND filter, you're going to slow your shutter down. And if you slow the shutter down so it's not going crazy fast, well, then your image might look a little bit more cinematic. That's what you're after. And also, if you use a polarized filter, well, all that glare, like the glare on the side of my head here from the sun just beaming on it, a polarized filter can actually remove that glare. So we're going to try all that right now. And if you look in one of these corners up here, or up here, or up here, or here, I'll actually display which filter is in use at that time. So here we go. Now, one thing I'm going to mention is I'm going to leave all the settings on auto. That's so that if you go out and buy ND filters and you're one of these people who just flies around with your camera on auto, well, this is exactly what it's going to look like. So to change the filter, turn the EVO off and flip it upside down, hang on to the camera gimbal and the camera itself, unscrew the actual filter. It's just a piece of glass on the front for protection, and then toss on the filter you wish. Now, if you're not aware, Freewell filters are made of high-grade aluminum. They're top quality, the glass has no defects, nothing, so you're going to get a really good image. So there we go. I have a filter on and we're ready to fly. Flip the drone over and power it back up. Now, Freewell makes circular polarized filters and they make hybrid circular polarized filters. This is a hybrid one right here. This is an ND32 with a polarized coating. So a circular polarized filter means that you put the filter on the camera and then you have a lens that you can turn in the front so you can adjust the level of polarization. And what you want to do is you want to get the glare of the light, the image is reflecting off of certain objects. You want it to go away, or you could make the sky really deep blue. The problem is, it's nice when it's on a camera that you look through the lens, but here I have to put it on here, power it on, and then try to adjust this while it's on the ground. It's quite difficult, but when you get it perfect, the results are stunning. So I'm going to put this on and give it a shot. I've got it on record here so you can see what I'm doing. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to tilt it up a bit here. I'm going to look at the sky. I think I have it polarized for the sky. I could be totally wrong. I'm not going to know. I'm going to be like you when I watch this. I could have the polarization all right, but I'm going to give it a try. This is an ND32 with a polarized coating. So here we go. got jets flying by me here. What the hell? Anyways, that sums up the Autel EVO, because flying with filters on the Autel EVO is okay, except I only have one battery. Anyways, if you saw the tilted horizon that the Autel EVO probably gave you, well, that's the tilted horizon because Autel has not fixed that as of today, that I'm still flying the Autel EVO, but I'm sure the fix is coming in the future. Here, I'll turn this way so you can see the jets flying behind me. So, all in all, the filters worked really well. I don't know how the ND circular polarized filter came out, but I'm gonna check that when I get home. I'm sure it came out okay. Anyways, I will show you more filters in the future. Right now I can't show you too many because, again, I don't have another battery. So the next ones I'm going to show in a future video will be the Freewell long exposure filters for the Autel EVO. There's a bug in my ear. All right, the skies are getting crowded here, so I'm going to head out. Thanks for watching this video. I'm going to put a link to the Freewell filters below. In my opinion, they are the best bang for the buck on the market today, so you might want to check them out if you're looking for filters. But for now, I'll say thanks for watching and take care, and we'll catch you in the next video.